Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, rear step bumper, rear wheel drive, steel wheels, tires, front all season, front disc rear drum brakes, front wheel independent suspension, low tire pressure warning. Your new ride is just a phone call away.